This is a 13-inch and 15-inch Retina MacBook Pro glass bezel replacement walkthrough. Gather tools, suction cups, plastic picks, Torx drivers, adhesive strips and safety glasses. Inspect the bezel for cracks and chips and document damage for warranty before you start. Heat the bezel gently to soften adhesive, then use suction and a pick to create a lift point. Work slowly around the frame in short controlled strokes to avoid cracking, shows slow motion here. Lift away the old glass and place broken pieces into a safety tray for disposal. Thoroughly clean the frame, remove old adhesive with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free wipe. Test fit the new glass bezel, align tabs, and confirm perfect orientation before applying adhesive. Apply pre-cut adhesive strips evenly around the frame, press each strip firmly into place. Lower the new bezel slowly, center it, then apply even pressure across the screen for a secure bond. Power on the laptop, inspect edge to display fit and show before and after comparison shots. Replacement complete. Parts include warranty. Contact support or book a repair online to schedule service.